Today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of the TTARTISAN 50mm F1.2. Very fast lens, manual focus only for the micro four thirds system. Let's go. Whatever in the box I have this blower. Okay, so cleaner, very cool for fiber cloth. And a brush cleaner. So that's come with the package. Very cool. Still in the package like that. Just a lens brush. And this is a very cheap one. I have similar one like this, but it's better than nothing, right? It does the job. Okay. Not spectacular, but it does the job. Okay? So that's come free. If I got this from eBay. So whatever they have. And a micro four thirds cloth, lens cleaner. That's cool. And this box, which is hood, lens hood. Very cool. So it comes with a lens hood like that. Lens cap as well. Lens hood, lens cap. Very cool. Okay, leave it aside. Now the important thing is this box here. What's in there? Whatever in this. Okay. Nice. Just a little tape on the side. Big review. Full price. The menu. What's here in the box? Very well packaged. Ooh. It's heavy. First impression so far, it's heavy. Micro, okay, so I think I got the micro four thirds lens mount. So that's cool. So there's no lens contact here. And this will be a magnet. Wow, very nice, very bright. Wow, it feels good. So this is a manual focus ring only. Very smooth. So far I like it. Very good construction. Okay, so now I got this for Aussie dollar, 160 bucks, including all these accessories. So I think in the US you can get this for 100 US dollar. Very good glass now, F1.2. So I use this for interview, product shot. Okay, so but I need to, you can hear that? That's the aperture ring. Very cool. So far I like it. I'm gonna test it out now. Now I'm on my red dot. Make sure you can. This is my old camera, the Panasonic G. Got a self-timer on. Haven't used this camera for a while, but it's quite heavy. On the lens, this is very light plastic body. And with this lens on, it feels very front heavy. Okay? So if you have a light micro four thirds camera, it would be more like very front heavy. Check. F1.2, menu focus. Yeah, nailed it. Easy to focus. Yeah, I think I nailed the focus. Very good blurry, very smooth bokeh. Oh, yes. Take a shot. Here. Okay. Very dark. Couldn't change the aperture. We'll turn on to P mode. Okay, P mode. Very smooth, out of focus. Let me take a shot of this one. Menu focus, no problem. So it's better if you have it on a tripod. Probably best to menu focus. This is unboxing a few tests, but it's not. Let me have a look. Yeah, just taking a few shots, but so far I like it. It's working fine. Micro four thirds system. Put on that's the lens cap. Screw on like that, very cool. Yeah, so far I like it. So I'll probably do a review of this lens once I get used to it, play around with it. Okay, it's just an unboxing. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also check out my other playlist about LumaFusion. There's a lot of great stuff there for you to check it out. Okay, check it out here. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.